In today's video, I'm going to teach you press F3 to open the search menu. If you've ever wanted a fast way to find anything in Blender without digging through menus, this is the method to use every time. The idea is simple. F3 is your shortcut to the operator search, a built-in tool that instantly brings commands, tools, and features to your fingertips. It's the quickest way to keep your flow going, especially when you know what you want to do but don't remember where it lives in the interface. Start by pressing F3 on your keyboard. On some laptops, you may need to hold the function key to access F3 depending on your system settings. When you press it, you'll see the operator search appear right away. This is a small search box that sits on top of your current workspace, so you don't have to leave what you're doing or switch panels. With the search box open, just begin typing the name of the tool, command, or feature you want. You don't need to type the whole thing. Partial names and close matches are usually enough to bring up what you need. As you type, Blender will populate a list of results in real time, drawing from tools across the application and filtering them based on the context you're in. That means if you're in the 3D viewport and working in edit mode, you'll see options that make sense for that situation. Take a moment to look at each result. You'll often see the operator's name, sometimes a menu path, and occasionally a shortcut if one exists. This helps you learn where things live and which keys you might use next time. When you spot the action you want, click it. Blender will immediately run that command as if you had found it through the menus, but without the extra steps. This approach helps you stay focused on your task. Instead of pausing to remember which menu or tab holds a feature, you keep your hands on the keyboard, call up the search, and move on. It's also a great way to discover terminology. For example, if you're looking for a smoothing option, try typing smooth, and you'll see related tools and variations you might not have known about. If nothing appears after pressing F3, check whether your operating system has special function key behavior enabled and use the function modifier if needed. Once that's sorted, make F3 a habit. Press it, type what you need, and click the result you want. Over time, this becomes second nature and dramatically speeds up your workflow in Blender.